morning, guys. Maybe that's your song for today, you know. It's Lazy Song by Bruno Mars. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. It's Saturday, it's raining. Ang sarap humiga. Ang lamig, lambot ng unan. But you gotta believe us, you have to chase your dreams. Time will come, you will ask yourself, ano bang ginawa ko noon? Kung bakit ako nandito ngayon sa nangyayari sa akin? Ladies and gentlemen, our message for today is denials are not delays. Delays are not denials. And every rejection is a redirection. Sa lahat na nangyayari sa atin today, you're asking yourself, negativity, etc., etc. You just have to continue, and you have to enjoy your journey towards success. Enjoy mo lang. Every day you smile and thank God for what is happening to you. Negative man yan o positive man yan, because blessings will come naturally. Today is 12/13/14, December 13, 2014. We invite you to smile in every person na makakasalubong mo today. Ngitian mo lang siya because maybe that person needs your smile, diba? Because blessings will come kapag masaya ka. Have a blessed day, guys. We are on our way to Royal. Wraps it up. Be blessed.